It's always that lingering, irritating cough that stays on while all of the other symptoms have settled. The cough that keeps you up at night, that keeps you so consumed during the day, that pains in your chest, that impacts digestion. It's a real pain in the butt. This cough also prevents you from taking enough oxygen into the body that feeds into the heart and into the lungs for circulation and blood flow and converts all of the waste product for release as carbon dioxide. So we're not taking in enough oxygen for our ecosystem to do what it needs to do, but we're also not releasing the waste. This is why nebulizing is often recommended in terms of this tight chest. Now, as we go into winter and it gets colder, we automatically contract. So we are contracting into this thoracic cavity. Today, we are going to do some simple yoga asanas or stretching that are going to create a clear channel for breathing to help with existing coughs, but also to help open up that thoracic cavity so that you can start to feel better. Okay, so let's start. And the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to release any tension that sits in the neck. You'll find that when you get sick, oftentimes it is in your neck that you're holding a lot of the pressure. So you're going to take your index finger and your middle finger and find the indent at the back of your neck where your skull ends, and just before your spinal column starts, you'll find an indent. And you're going to massage in this area just a couple of times clockwise and a couple of times anti-clockwise. And then we are going to take a double breath in through our nose and a double exhale, and we're going to use both nose and mouth. So let's just massage that area, release any tension, getting ready to breathe. Inhale, all the way back, resting the back of your neck onto your back, getting ready to exhale. Exhale twice. Bringing your chin to your chest. Bring your neck back to neutral, and let's do this again. So just massage clockwise and anti-clockwise in that indent. And then double inhale as you take your head back and rest it on the back of your shoulders, in the midline of your shoulders. Double inhale and hold it there. And exhale, nose, mouth. Gently bring your chin to rest it on your chest. Let's do it one more time with your head back in neutral. Let's massage back and forth. And double inhale through your nose, resting your head back. And double exhale, nose and mouth, coming with your chin to your chest. Gently bring your head back to neutral, relaxing your hands on your lap. Let's do some gentle neck stretches. So what you're going to do is take your right hand. Remember that you are my mirror image. So take your right hand and gently pull your neck over so that you're reaching your right side of your ear to your right shoulder. And what you're going to feel is this really, really beautiful stretch down the left side of your neck. Now remember, we're not putting ourselves into any pain. We're just stretching. We want to stretch and release any tension that we are holding in the neck so that we allow for better flow. See how far you can take it. But remember, no pain. You're just going to feel this really, really good stretch down the side of your neck. And when you're ready, gently release your head back up, bringing your head back to neutral. And let's just roll that neck out just a little bit. Just a little bit in case there's any stiffness. You can keep your eyes closed or your eyes open. It's really up to you. Let's do a couple of clockwise and anti-clockwise rolls. Okay, coming back to center. Just if you need to re-anchor, however you are sitting, just re-anchor into the ground. Sometimes these movements can make us a little bit dizzy. All right, let's do it on the left side. So using your hand, you're going to gently pull your head over to the left side of your body and see how far you can get your neck to stretch down. So you're feeling a stretch on the right side of your neck here. See if you can get your ears as close to your left shoulder, left ear to left shoulder. And just feeling that really, really beautiful stretch down the right side of your neck. All right, and when you're ready, gently release, bringing your head back to neutral. Once again, let's just do some neck rolls. Just allowing that neck to release really nicely. Remember that this is the entry point for the breath into the body, the nose, the mouth. So we want to just really keep this area nice and loose. All right, let's do some shoulder stretches. Hands on top of your shoulders, and we're just going to stretch the shoulder back. And see how far back you can take it. You want to reach for your shoulders to touch, your shoulder blades to reach each other as much as you can. Remembering again, no pain, but you're going to feel this really, really, really good stretch in your shoulders as you stretch them. We carry a lot of stress in our shoulders. So this allows us to release the unconscious in a sense. Let's do it a few more times. Swapping direction. And one last time moving forward. Right, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Okay, sitting nice and tall, let's work into that shoulder a little bit more. So what we're going to do now is you're going to tense and relax your shoulders. So you're going to tense for a few seconds and then drop your shoulders and relax. Now remember, if you have got an acute cough, these exercises, as simple as they may seem, may leave you feeling out of breath. So if you need to, just take it nice and slow, pause the video and come back to it, have a sip of water. They are deceptively simple. We are actually working very deeply into these parts of the body. Okay, all right, everybody, let's get started. So let's tense our shoulders. Tense, 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 tense. Relax. Good job. Let's do it 3 more times. Tense, 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 tense. Relax. Tense, 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 tense. Relax. Whew. Let's do it 2 more times. Tense, 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 tense. Relax. And once more. Tense, 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 tense. Relax. Good job. You will actually feel that you've started to create some heat with your body around this area, maybe even going down to your heart center. So what we're going to do now is we're going to do, while we're seated, we're going to do in yoga what we call a cat-cow, but a seated cat-cow. All right, so you're going to keep your hands on your thighs, and as you breathe in, you're going to lift your head up and back and push your chest forward, pushing your hips forward, keeping your butt still on the chair, and you're really pushing outwards. So you're getting that beautiful extension on the front of your body. That's as you inhale through your nose And exhale through your nose, bringing your chest down, arching your back, pushing your tailbone, and tucking it in, clenching your abdomen, and looking down the bridge of your nose to your chest. Inhale, lifting your head up and back, pushing your belly button in, back towards your spine, pushing your buttocks out. Feel that stretch all along the front of your neck, all the way down to your navel area. There's a very deep stretch. And exhale as you arch inward, tucking in your tailbone, bringing your chin down to your chest and feeling that tightness as you clench in your abdomen. Let's do it 2 more times. Inhale, push forward, push out your tailbone, feeling that beautiful stretch down your neck. And exhale as you tuck your body in. Tuck in your tailbone, your chin comes down to your chest, tightening around your abdominal area. And relax, gently bringing your body back to a neutral position. Quite a deep stretch. Now we're going to take our hands behind us, so just make sure that you are well supported and secured wherever you are sitting. Take your hands behind you and you're just going to stretch out. So you're going to try and bring your shoulder blades as close together as possible and then curve inward. Stretch out and curve inward. It's very similar to what we've been doing. Breathing in, breathing out. Breathing in, breathing out. Okay, everybody. Beautiful. Let's just do some shoulder rolls and just relax our body. Excellent, excellent. You don't want to put too much strain on the body. You don't want to create too much tension. So the last thing that we're going to do is to just gently massage into these different centers in our body. Starting at the throat center, we're just going to massage in circular motions for a few moments, just allowing your breath to flow normally as you massage into that space. Normal, gentle breathing. Let's move down to our heart center. And again, just this gentle circular motion over your heart center, just allowing your breathing to come back to normal. Let's move down to our solar plexus. And again, this beautiful circular motion, feeling your body ground, feeling your body come back to relaxed stage, allowing that flow of energy through this channel as you open up those airways. And lastly, just below your navel, just massaging into that area. You can continue doing this for as long as you need to. After you've done this, you can do some beautiful belly breathing. Breathing in through your nose, breathing out through your nose. And if you do this in the morning and you do this in the evening, it will help to open up this entire area so that there is direct inflow and outflow, and the body is working in the way that it needs to. Good luck.